In this video, we will see how to use GLCD software for displaying patterns on OLED display. Please watch tutorial number 1 before this tutorial. Its link is given in the description. In tutorial 1, we displayed this this pattern, that is, this is chessboard layout, and to display this we send this bit stream to OLED. But it is very hard to calculate binary bit stream for a complex pattern like this, or any font, or any alphanumeric character. It is very hard to calculate binary stream, so we will use GLCD software for that. This tutorial is divided into two parts. In part 1, we will display a 8 by 8 matrix on OLED. This is already done in previous tutorial, but we did not use GLCD software for generating hex code for this 8 by 8 matrix. In this part 1, we will use GLCD font creator software for generating hex code for this pattern, and in part 2 we will display this patterns on 16 by 16 matrix, and that code, hex code for this 16 by 16 matrix will be generated by this GLCD font creator. Now we will see how to use GLCD font creator software. Link for downloading GLCD font creator software is given in the description. Now GLCD font creator software is open. Go to file, then new font. We want to create our own new pattern, so click on new font from scratch. Then font name, that will be first 8 by 8 chessboard, then range from 0 to 0, and width will be 8 and height also 8. Now here this matrix, this one block means 1 pixel, and right clicking on any block that will make that block black, but on OLED this black pixel will be lighted. So here there is a color inversion, that is, whatever you will see white, that will be black in OLED, and whatever you will see black, that will be glowing pixel on OLED. So we will, now we want to make this pattern, so this will be lighted, this will be lighted, and this will be lighted, then this. Now our pattern is completed. Now press Ctrl S or press here. Now this pattern you will see here. Now press here export to GLCD. After that select this, make sure in this is selected X GLCD lib, then select this micro C. Now this is hex code for our pattern. Don't copy this first hex number. I don't know its use, but it does not represent any pixel in our pattern. So this, from this second hex number, copy all hex numbers, now this is program for this first part. Then now I copied that all hex numbers in one array. that is byte array, and here we are beginning our OLED. In tutorial 1 we saw what is function of this OLED begin, then we are setting cursor at 0 0, and here in this for loop we are getting data from this array, and we are sending it to OLED. Now we will see what is output of this program. After uploading the program, our display will show pattern like this. It is very small 8 by 8 pixel matrix. It is very hard to see, so I will use my milliscope for that. Here we can see pattern designed by us on GLCD software is displayed on OLED display. Now in part 2 we will draw this this same chessboard layout on 16 by 16 matrix. Now open GLCD software, go to file, then new font, then new font from scratch. I don't want to save it. Okay. 16 by 16 chessboard, select 0 here, then here there will be 16. Okay, now this matrix of 16 by 16 will open. Now we will draw our pattern on GLCD software. Now our pattern is completed. Now press Ctrl S. Now your pattern is visible here. Now press export for GLCD, then select this micro C and make sure this is selected, and this is the hex code for that for the pattern. And don't copy this first hex number, it is very important. Don't copy this first number, start copying after first number till the end. Now I made this program for displaying 16 by 16 matrix. I will explain this, and I copied that base stream, that hex number string here. Now we will see how this hex number is generated from our design. Now we will see what this hex number represent. We can see this is the hex number stream generated by the software. This 333 sorry, this 33 means represent this 8 pixels, and this is LSB, and bottom one is MSB. So these are two lighted. This black means lighted pixels. This 1 means 0 0 1 1, that corresponds to 3. Then 0 0 1 1, that corresponds to this 3. Then next number, this 3 3 represents pixels below this, that is pixels on next page. This is page number 0 and this is page number 1, and this 3 represent these 8 pixels 0011 0011. In this way, this this hex number stream represent our pattern in zigzag manner. Now we will again see how that hex number stream represent our pattern. First number represents 8 pixels on page number 0 and column number 0. Then next number represent 8 pixels on page number 1 and column number 0. Then next number represent 8 pixels on page number 0 and column number 1, and next number represent 8 pixels on page number 1 column number 1. In this zigzag manner, that hex number stream represents our pattern. Now we will see how to implement this in Arduino code. We will see how to transfer this data array and how to send this data to OLED in zigzag manner that we have seen. Here I implemented sending data to the OLED in zigzag manner. Here this for loop is for incrementing the columns. This character horizontal column required, this is defined as 16, that is 16 columns. And here this for loop is for vertical pages, vertical number of vertical pages. This vertical page required is defined as 2 because we require 2 pages to display 16 pixels vertically. Here we are setting the column number and page number. Then we are sending the data from data array to the OLED. Now we will upload this program to Arduino. After uploading the program, you will see our pattern on our display. Here you can see 16 by 16 matrix is printed on the display. Here we can't see very because that is very small. I will use Milliscope design by me for that. Using that you can see very tiny objects. Here you can see our pattern is printed on 16 by 16 matrix of pixels. For more details and source code, please visit the blog. Its link is given in the description. Thank you for watching this tutorial. In next tutorial, we will see how to add English font on this OLED.